one-time darshan. So Mahaprabhu had darshan. And he ran. And Lord Chaitanya, Age paile Krishna tamre punaharana bhumite padila prabhu murchitahana. Having seen Krishna, then losing him, Mahaprabhu collapsed on the ground unconscious, crying and crying. So first you see the Lord, then you run, and you faint. Remember, the Premi Bhakta first experience. What's the second experience of the Premi Bhakta? Smell. So Lord Chaitanya is lying in Jagannath Vallabha garden unconscious, stunned and prem, stunned by the darshan of his beloved Shyam Sundar. Krishnera Shriyanga Gande Bhariche Udyayane Se Gandapana Prabhu Haile Achetane. The entire garden, Madana Sukara Kunj, the entire garden of Madana Sukara Kunj, Jagannath Vallabha garden, was filled with the sweet, beautiful scent of Krishna's form. When Mahaprabhu smelled that, he fell unconscious. Exactly like Madhurya Kadambini. You see, you fall unconscious. You smell, you fall unconscious. See the parallel? This is the Tattva, Prem Tattva Siddhanta, Vishnu Chakravarti. This is the Lila. Tattva Vichar, Lila Vichar. This is the Praman. See, feel, touch reality. As it's happening with Narada, as it's happening in Mahaprabhu, it will happen with me. Krishnera Shriyanga Gande Bhariche Udyan Se Gandapana Prabhu Haila Achetan. The entire garden filled with the sweet scent of Krishna's Madhurya Rupam. And Mahaprabhu smelled it and fell unconscious again. Nirantara Nasaya Pashe Krishna Parimala Ganda Ashwadite Prabhu Haila Pagal. Pagal. The premi becomes a pagal. Prem pagal. This is what happens. God is showing, if you follow this path of Gaudiya Vaishnava, as you tread the path of Raghunaga Bhakti, you practice Mandri Srup Bhajan, then you will attain prema and you'll go mad. I went mad, and I'm God, and you're following me. I'm the head of the Sampradaya, I'm Pagal. Rasik Pagal. So madness is the most undesirable thing in the material world. But madness is the most desirable thing in the spiritual realm. The gopis are mad in love, and Krishna is mad in love, and the Premi Bhakta will become mad after Krishna. Nirantara Nasaya Pashe Krishna Parimal Gandashvadite Prabhu Haila Pagal. Over and over again, Mahaprabhu is smelling Krishna's body incessantly, and he was mad to relish it. Krishna Gandha Labda Radha Sakire Je Kaila Se Shloka Pari Prabhu Artha Karila. Once Radharani spoke a verse to her gopi friends, desiring how she's hankering to smell the transcendental fragrance of Krishna's Madhurya Sarupam. That same verse, at this time, Mahaprabhu recited that verse from Gita, from the Govinda Lilamrita.